Hey, it's Jan here from Lifestyle Freedom Family. I hope you're well. So guys, what I want to just show you today is where I'm walking right now. It's just a beautiful scenery. Check this. Just a beautiful nature. Absolutely love it. Today we are in Tarn in France, southwest France. It's just beautiful. So yeah, why I'm showing you this, basically I want to show you this because first of all, I love to have the freedom. I love to have the lifestyle of freedom that I always wanted to have, and we're just free, we can travel anywhere we like, and this is only possible to do if you have the passive income, basically. So, you know, you can live anywhere. You can live here, you can go anywhere you like. We choose to live the way we like to live, and we choose to travel and to visit places that we like and to have that freedom. So places like this. And of course, this is only possible due to the fact that we managed to grow our online businesses. And because without having that online business with that passive income, it will be just not possible to travel anytime, anywhere we like, basically, and to visit the places that we love the most, and to live in the nature, be more connected and all this, you know. So without having that online business that supports us now, basically, it would not be possible, yeah. So back then when I was still working 9 to 5, and I was thinking like, okay, there must be another way how to stop trading that time for the money. And of course there is another way, and it's all about trading your information, what you're good at. So the idea is you really want to help loads of people out there with what you're already good at, and by helping lots of people, then you can finally get that abundance. So if you also want to have that freedom, if you also want to have that lifestyle of freedom, basically, where you can decide anytime, anywhere, what to do, where would you like to go, how you want to spend your life without that constant pressure that 90% of society has these days. Yeah, that like you will not feel like, oh, I have to go to do something I don't like 9 to 5, some kind of job, some kind of pointless thing, just doing some kind of paperwork or whatever it is. You know, if you're not feeling connected with it, if you're doing something you really don't like, then of course you want to look for the change. This is what I did a couple of years back, and thanks God I did that, because these days, thanks to internet and thanks to the online businesses that we can create, you can have absolute abundance. Yeah, you wake up in the morning, you have your nice coffee, you have your nice breakfast, and you can just be at a place like this. It's just peaceful, you know, and there is no pressure here. It's just beautiful. You know, but I would not be able to walk here now around lunchtime during the weekday. It's a weekday, you know. 90% of people are sitting in offices right now and they're doing something they don't like. I'm walking here, you know, I can do whatever I want. I'm going for the coffee right now in the next village, basically. And the only way I was able to manage this is that I helped thousands of people online already. Yeah, during past 1 year, basically 1.5 years. I started around 2 years ago. And it took me like 6 to 7 months to really build it. Like the first 6-7 months are quite tough. Of course, it's not for everybody. You really have to go through. You have to find, okay, how I'm gonna help those people out there. How I'm gonna help those thousands of people. How can I help them? How can I contribute? What I'm really good at. What I'm kind of expert in. Yeah, what is my expertise? What I'm really good at, and basically how I can help those people that they want to get to the level where I am right now. So this is one of the first steps, basically, that you need to realize what you're really good at. Like, this is the most important. Yeah, without that realization, how you can help the others, of course you're not gonna get anywhere. But once you realize that, then you're on the way to finally claim the lifestyle of freedom. So I want to show you this, just beautiful. So if you want to learn more, just hit that button below. I'm gonna be super happy to send you my 5-step freedom formula right now, which is basically based on a step-by-step what I've done over the past 2 years, what's working, what's not working, and you're gonna learn basically everything in order to be able to make it and to finally live the way you want and to claim the lifestyle of freedom. I'll see you on the inside.